Captain Viriato, I've just seen on social media, has made a statement that if the chief minister appoints a minister who is a foreign national, they will ensure that they undo it. I'm confused and perplexed about that statement. I could not understand it. Because I think Captain Viriato forgot that his party, the Indian National Congress, nominated me as a candidate in Nuvai constituency to stand for elections. He should first answer, if I was a foreign national, how his party gave me the ticket. Then let us talk further. So, you see, it's very easy to make baseless charges. Sensationalism is something which I think Captain likes. I remember when he came here outside my house with a group of people. There was, if you all were present, you all will agree with me, there was hardly anybody from the constituency. It was all imported people from other areas. They did a lot of barking also. End result was zero. He could not incite the people of my constituency. So I would request you, think before you speak. If you have personal issues with me, I have no problem. But first tell me how his party gave me the nomination for Nuvai constituency.
But even you have seen both the sides. You have seen Congress from a very long time now. You've seen BJP. Commenting about Congress, what would you say? What is their current state in Goa?
See, as I've said, end of the day, what is important is winning elections. I've said that BJP will win both the parliamentary seats. I've said that 2027, you will again see Dr. Pramod Sawant as the Chief Minister of Goa. I think I've answered your question.